Hi guys, it's me and Chocolate Madness, and today I'm going to tell I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Scratch. Let's click on Create. Today I'm going to tell you how to make an animation, how to make a move, how to make an animation. First of all, we will need to select any sprite. I want a griffin. Here is the griffin. So, first of all, we're gonna go to event and take not when green flag clicked, when space key pressed. You can do any type of key. We have all the keys here. I'm gonna do space. We will need to make sure that it will change to this costume. Then we will go to control, then repeat like for 5 times. Then we'll need the wait block. Wait. What about wait 5 seconds? And not switch to costume this. We're just gonna pick next costume. What about we also make place the background? What about hmm, a blue sky? Now I will show you how it works when we will press the space key. I think we need to do the second a bit more low, like 0.5, or let's do 0.5, yeah. 0.5. Now let's see. What about we remove this costume? Now, or now we will name this flying animation. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.